So I'm gonna go play hooky. Here's my beautiful daughter. We're gonna go put them in. Oh no, it's wasting. Have to work hard. You know, we all know that. But sometimes during that process, during the process of working hard, it's good to slow down sometimes. And I have a systematic process on my pre-flight. I know it doesn't look that way, but very systematic. Tanks. Good. So today's one of those days where my schedule got light all of a sudden, kind of unexpectedly. And beautiful day. We had some storms the last couple days. They all actually blew out. So now we can do something fun, like go flying. And there are a few things in life that are more exciting than flying an airplane, let me tell you. That's my opinion. So when you get that opportunity, you take it. And I'm here with my daughter, Autumn. Where are we going, Autumn?
Put-in Bay.
Put-in Bay. Have you ever been there before?
Yeah, with Mimo and Paul.
Oh, okay.
you went right in between. I thought you were gonna hit it and make it come right back.